Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute a user in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts from the people that we follow. Now let's say we find a post in the feed that we don't like. I don't know, let's say this one. We tap on and we want to mute the person that posted it. We find the post on the top right side. There is 3 dots. We tap on this, and then we get an option to mute at get paid right. If we tap on this, then we are going to mute this account, and there isn't going to be any more posts shown by this account on our feed. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.